So, like I said, we're gonna give it one more shot. This will be the third attempt at it. You can see I've almost used more than half the bottle of lubricant. But step one, you were supposed to spray down, and you spray your pad. Supposed to go in a diagonal direction. I'm pressing about as hard as I can, to be honest with you. Alright, and it says here, diagonal direction, uniform, allowing yellowing should be done at this stage, wipe clean. So you look at the headlight, looks like it's a little bit better right now, which this is what blows my mind. But as I go through the other stages, it's going to get worse. Alright, it says to clean it. So cleaned, and immediately goes back to cloudy. Now we're going to do number 2. And this one we do straight across. Wipe clean. Voila, still nasty cloudy. It says do this twice, so let's try it twice. Oh, I see zero difference. Don't know about you. All right, number 3. This one we're supposed to do back to diagonal. Guess it'll help I keep the camera on. A little bit more lubricant so it's dry. Dun dun dun. Alright, now we're going to take the little cloth and we're going to basically put this stuff as like a wax. I'm sweating my butt off doing this, by the way. Because I'm inside a closed, unventilated garage, don't ever try that at home. Make sure you're always in a well-ventilated place. And it's been storming, it's humid. Luckily it's March and not July. So allegedly when I'm done polishing this, it's going to look crystal clear. And you're going to see a dramatic improvement. I'll let you be the judge of that. Every time I get to this stage, I'm like, it's slightly a little improved. But I really don't think it is. I think it's just not doing anything. Does that mean it's on the inside? What does that mean? God, what a boring video to watch. Alright, that's what we got. You know, it's supposed to be clear by now, and then you're going to spray the sealant on it, and that'll protect it from clouding over, but as you can see, there's little to zero improvement. This is just to clean and glue. Whatever it is, it just doesn't want to come off. I saw a British guy basically take 600 grit sandpaper, dip it in a bucket of dishwashing liquid and water, go all over it, nice gentle back and forth. And then he took 1200 grit sandpaper, did the same thing, then dried it and then sprayed coats of lacquer on it over and over, and somehow that's supposed to make it clearer. But this is the best we get. Don't know about you, but I'm not thrilled with that result. So this is one job that was too tough for the Rain-X Headlight Restoration Kit. Maybe you'll have more success